All right, this should fix the lower back issues, ma'am. Here we go.
Ouch! My knickers hurt!
Woo! And that's how you do it! You ready for just a tiny bit of pressure?
Tiny?
Here we go.
Oh, Lord.
And...
Oh, sweet mother of... Ow, you big son of a... Damn it, you broke the damn table! It just feels like it's pinching right here. And every time I turn to the left, it catches.
All right, let me try something new real quick. How's that feel?
Deep breath. Okay. Good job, ma'am. I marked you down for next week. Next client, come in, please.
All right, this should fix the lower back issues, ma'am. Here we go.
Bro, that's hilarious. Because some patients actually, that's probably what they envision when they're coming into the chiropractor, but it's really not. AI is like going crazy.